Dear students, today I am going to discuss some questions and the topic is inquisitive chemistry. It relates the curious questions regarding chemistry. The first question is, what is ordinary alum? Answer is, ordinary alum is a double salt. Its chemical name is aluminium potassium sulfate. Its chemical formula is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 whole 3 dot 24H2. Second question is, water contains 80% oxygen and yet used as a fire extinguisher. Explain. Answer is, properties of H2O, that is water, as a compound are quite different from those of oxygen O2, which supports combustion. Again, it lowers the temperature of the combustible matter below its ignition temperature. And you know that ignition temperature of different substances are different. So, because of its high specific heat. Now, third question is, what happens when chloroform is kept in white bottles? Answer is, it gets oxidized by air and light to form poisonous phosgene gas. The reaction takes place as CHCl3 plus half O2, arrowhead COCl2 plus HCl. That means for formation of one molecule of poisonous phosgene gas, COCl2, half molecule of oxygen is needed to react with chloroform. Fourth question is, give an example of a double salt and a dibasic acid. Answer is potash alum, whose chemical formula is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 whole 3 dot 24H2. That means 24 molecules of water of crystallization is present in potash alum. Is a double salt. And sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, is a dibasic acid. Fifth question is, why is ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, a weak base? Answer is, NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, is a weak base because it produces a few hydroxyl ions, that is OH, in solution. Sixth question is, give an example of a complex salt, a double salt, and an acid salt. Answer is potassium ferrocyanide, whose formula is K4FeCnO6, is a complex salt. More salt or ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is FeSO4 dot NH4 whole 2SO4 dot 6H2O, is a double salt, and sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate, that is NaHSO4, is an acid salt. Seventh question is H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, is not dried by bubbling through concentrated H2SO4, that is concentrated sulfuric acid. Explain. Answer is it is so because hydrogen sulfide reacts with concentrated H2SO4, whereby it gets oxidized to sulfur, and the reaction is as follows: H2S plus H2SO4 arrowhead S plus SO2 plus 2H2. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.